As we know, Father's Day is coming up in June, and I'm very privileged to be a father. And I've learned some very great lessons in fatherhood. The first being to not take things too seriously. I've always been quite a serious guy, but my kids tend to make a lot of jokes and laugh about certain things that I see as serious. So it's kind of given me a new perspective in life to be more relaxed, in my approach, more laid back. And also they've taught me resilience. I remember once upon a time when I was trying to teach my daughter to ride a bicycle, and she fell a couple of times. She scraped her elbows and her knees, but it didn't stop her from getting on the bike the next day. So it just kind of showed me that having that never giving up attitude is something that you should embrace in your life. And probably the third thing is patience. That's a big one, because sometimes you get to tell your kids certain things that they don't listen. So you got to try and reinforce that over time. So it just kind of has taught me to be patient with my kids, to allow them time to grow, to listen, to mature. So patience has been a part and parcel of being a father. And probably the last thing is to make memories, because my kids have grown up at an early age. I used to travel playing rugby all over overseas. So now I get to spend more time with them, like for example in the kitchen, using the AEG appliances, making meals together, creating something special. For them it's going to be something they will remember when they're 21 years old. So making memories is key. I love traveling with them as well, going all over the world, showing them, our special, corners, and it's something that I love. And those are some of the amazing things that I've learned, and I'm still learning. So I'm grateful to be a father, and I want to be a role model to many fathers out there. And I want to wish all the fathers out there, happy Father's Day.